If you drive an F-150 SuperCrew, you already know the pain. Awesome truck, but somehow never enough space when the trip gets real. Camping gear, bikes, luggage, maybe a kayak or two, it adds up fast. A solid roof rack fixes that problem by unlocking dead roof space and keeping the cabin comfy. I dropped links to every rack in the video description, so you can check prices and details there anytime. Starting with number 3, the JOYTUTUS roof rack is all about easy living. It is custom fit for newer F-150 Crew cab models, so fitment is spot on with no sketchy gaps. The metal basket handles up to 330 pounds, which is plenty for road trip gear, storage boxes, or outdoor toys. No drilling, no crossbars needed, just bolt it on and roll out. The streamlined design helps cut wind noise, and the corrosion-resistant coating means it is built for long hauls and bad weather. Next up, at number 2, is the Hooke Road cargo basket, a beast made for F-150 SuperCrew and Raptor models. It also supports up to 330 pounds when evenly distributed and offers tons of tie-down and accessory mounting options thanks to the crossbars. The low-profile aerodynamic front looks clean and helps with airflow. You also get 4 single-row floodlights rated at 18 watts each, which is clutch for camping or late-night unloading. Installation is more involved with some drilling, but the heavy-duty steel build feels rock solid. At number 1, the YZONA roof rack hits the sweet spot between style and strength. Built from heavy-duty steel with a black powder coat and electroplated interior, it is ready for rain, mud, and long-term abuse. Load capacity is again 330 pounds, making it perfect for camping setups, bikes, and off-road gear. The sleek aerodynamic front keeps wind noise down and upgrades the truck's look. Installation is moderate with some drilling, but everything you need is in the box, including 2 LED lights. Bottom line, a good roof rack turns your F-150 SuperCrew into a true adventure rig, not just a daily driver. All the product links are waiting for you in the video description. So go check them out and see what fits your build and budget. If this breakdown helped, smash that subscribe button for more truck gear reviews, and I will catch you in the next one.